Okay, Assa 700 with 4 trees. Key sort of works. Not great, but good enough. It's a well-worn lock. I got a custom ground tensioner and a shim attached. The shim blocks the lock core from bouncing up a lot, so it's pretty solid. And we drop a monkey paw. That's what we're using. Let's get to picking. Uh, 3, 5. Oh, there we go. 7, 3, 5, 3, 7, 3, 5, 7, 5, 3, 2. Yes, 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. Tapers are good. Let's get 6. Okay, 6 is on the barrel section. Let's do 1. And 1's in the barrel, 2 drop down. 1, let's fully set 1. Actually, yeah, 2 drop down. 2's in the barrel section. 1's in the barrel section. Or 2's in the counter milling. Now 2's in the barrel section. All right, let's take a look at 4. Where are you, 4? There's 4. Okay, 4 is in the barrel section. 6 is not where it needs to be. Come on, 6. Okay, I believe I fully set that. Let's see where 2's at. Actually, I need to get 1 first. 1 is in the barrel section. One would be fully set if I could get 2. Let's try hitting 2 with another pick. I don't know if this is going to work. I'll just come back later. You just got to touch 2. 2 keeps on dropping down. Okay, one is completely out of the barrel section. Okay, I think I lifted one all the way to shear. Let's get two up there too. Okay, two's in the is this barrel? I don't remember. Let's check six. Is this six? Yeah, that's six. Not set. Six is there, but two drop down. So what happened to six? Did it get set or did it drop back down? No, six is not set. Now six is set. Some good pin drag there. Okay, four, are you set? Four is not set. Usually four and two are the last. You go back and forth between them. Okay, four is in the barrel section. Two is somewhere. One, I think, is set, and that's staying set. All right, I think we just got a battle of 2 versus 4. Let's hope for some pin drag. Okay, where's 4? Is 4? No, 4? That's set. 4 is set. Is 2 set? Let's check 6. Six feels set. This is 4 right here. 4 feels set. Oh, there's 2. Okay, I put 2 all the way to shear. I think I heard 4 click down. Oh yeah, 4 is definitely. No, it's set. Yeah. Come on, 4. Don't you drop on me too. Oh, 2 dropped. Okay, well, 4 set. Where are you 2? I think I'm on 2 where I need to be. I should open the lock. F, yes. Yeah, this shim is super helpful. Keeps me from bouncing that lock all over the place. Okay, let's make sure I keep this all in view. Move to the pinning tray. There we are. I'll keep that right there. So there you go. I'll lock it back up. And you can see that without the shim, you can really jam that core and move it around. Now let's get my Allen key, which I need to find because I have the top grubbed. Super ugly. My first grubbing job. And I cannot find my Allen wrench. Allen wrench, I need you. There it is. Okay. Sorry about that. Whoever's reviewing this video. Okay. I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like this. Okay. Got one. One is a tree. They're all trees, by the way. It's a nice... It looks like a low lift, but it feels so high because it's the first pin. And 2, which is the most nefarious pin in this lock, it just keeps on dropping. Oops. Get that spring. 2 is a super high lift. Come on. And all of these pins are super worn. The key pins are really worn down. There's 3. I'm just gonna, oh no, it's not a good idea. 3 is taper. 4 is a tree. I can't see what I'm doing. There we go. That particular chamber I didn't drill very well at the top there. Six. tree. That's all the trees, and then 7 is a nice taper. Ta-da! So there's the pins. Do a little zoom in here. There you go. There's the pins. Super worn. Oh, I got those 2 upside down. Yes, I know how this goes. Okay. And then we'll get this is the grubs, kind of a mess, but it's just threading at the top, so it doesn't affect the springs. Makes it a lot easier to progressive pin, which I did a lot of. Okay, let's get this clip out of here. I hate this thing. Should be using like a screwdriver or something. How is this not off already? There is the core. We got our counter milling on chambers 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry, 4 and 7. And then 2's got this sort of wear-induced over-milling, which makes it want to drop down a lot, which makes this lock particularly hard, I think. Sure felt hard. It's worse than the V18. Anyway, there you go. Assa 700 complete. Woohoo. Thanks for watching.